Hello, this is Armin DRV with the Innovation Garage Door, with the Innovative Garage Door Innovation. And let's see the cool new home. I'm in a cool open house in the corner dimension. And let's see around here that I can find. Here's the kitchen and the rest that can be. So this is the laundry and so here there's a Genie garage door opener. It's silentmax. Let's run it up. Wait. First of all, I'm gonna show you a transmission. Yeah. See, like a belt drive. And yeah, here's the remodel release rope. There's a torsion spring. And that's, yeah, exactly. Okay, I'll run it up. Did you see how it's quiet? Very cool. See the belts on it? I'm kind of knowing. See the cables, the torsion springs. It didn't open all the way good enough. It didn't, oh yeah, it didn't open good enough. And also, there's no car openers here. Let's close it down. Yeah, one time. How are you doing? Sorry, look. Yeah, of course. Yeah, taking videos of, sorry about that, I'm taking videos of garage doors, you see? Yeah, sometimes I do.
So you have to stop.